unbox all the gifts which I received in my birthday from my friends and family. So first of all, you can have a look around in all these interesting board games, soft toys and many more useful things. So चलिए आज देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या क्या है अनबॉक्स करने के लिए. Actually मैंने इनको अनबॉक्स कर लिया है. Now I'll show you all what I got. So first of all, you can see this is a soft toy stick. It's so cute. And you can see it's pink in color and it's so fluffy. I absolutely love it. गिफ्ट है ये Puma के shoes. So white sneakers मेरे को हमेशा से चाहिए थे and this is a combo of white and red which is very useful and they are very good looking too.
Wow!
Wow! What is this Barbie? It's a golden Barbie it's wearing a golden jumpsuit and it's looking very glamorous with long hairs. So this is the Barbie and it's wearing a necklace written dream as you can see. So this is the Barbie. चलो हमारे पास अभी तो बहुत सारे गिफ्ट बाकी हैं. बाथ को फन बनाने के लिए है ये bath bombs. So when you put this bath bombs in a bucket or a tub, then वो पूरा कलर हो जाता है of the color in which the bath bombs are there and you could get a surprise toy from it. So I'll share the video of this separately. Do watch it in the shorts. Next is the combo gifts. Combo gifts are my favorite. So first of all ये एक show piece है of a bunny with two bunnies floating in it. Yay! So this show piece is very good and it looks awesome. Next is this card and I love cards when I get them for my birthday. And this is the outer looker and I'll show you. It's special from inside. Ta-da! So it's a pop-up card basically. So read the message written by my friend. Do read it because it's a very heartwarming message and I got overjoyed by seeing it. In a combo gift. So चलो इसे खोलते हैं. Ta-da! So this is a bunny. It's a plushie of a bunny and my friend wove it for me. Along with this, she gave me this cup. Have a nice day. So this combo is absolutely perfect. A plushie to play with and a slipper to drink from. Next is a purse. And you know what? The dress which I was wearing yesterday at the party, this purse matched with it. So this is a purse given by my friend and it's a purse from Foria. Inside तो इसके और भी चीजें हैं. Woohoo! A necklace, so beautiful. Along with this. Actually, I needed this from a long time. So you must be wondering what's inside this. Ta-da! It's a portable mirror. And this bracelet. I actually took it out. So this is the bracelet. It looks like this. So let's move on to the next gift. ये साइज में कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा है but it's very interesting. Ball game set and it's so good. So पिकलबॉल के बारे में तो आप सबने सुना होगा and वो भी जंगल थीम में. So fun. So what's inside this suitcase? You must be wondering. I'll show you. So let's unbox it. Ta-da! It's a coloring set. So many shades of pencil colors along with watercolors, palettes, eraser and brush. Yes! That's not only this much. A secret reveals. Ta-da! So many oil pastels and watercolor tubes. More is left. Sketch pens.
Wow!
This is a really useful set as we use colors and colors brighten up our lives, so we must use them. What's this? चलिए देखते हैं. Wow! A Labubu stipple. Wait. It contains something more in it. Which adds a clue to this. This is a Labubu stipple. And it's extremely good. So classic game. It's a murder game and there are 6 suspects, one murder, and we have to solve the iconic mystery. So this I needed from almost 2 years and I got this. So this is my dream gift and I love it so much and I love solving mysteries. So ये मेरी नानी ने दिया था वर्ड सफारी. So जब मैं अर्लियर उनके घर गई थी तो मेरे को ऐसा ही एक और मिला था इंडियन सफारी और उसको मैं बहुत एंजॉय करती थी. मैंने उनके संग भी खेला था तो उन्होंने इस बार मेरे को बर्थडे में दिया वर्ड सफारी. You get a lot of knowledge from them. So this is a game where you can get a lot of knowledge, you can enrich your knowledge and learn so much facts. So this is Indian art forms, traditional art with a modern twist, and you can do art and craft from it. So it's a DIY set and all of you must know that I love DIY so much. So in my upcoming videos and shorts, I'll show you what's inside this. So कितना मजा आएगा अगर आप घर पे सोप्स बनाओगे वो भी different shapes के. So this is the DIY soap mini kit. Dive into the world of bubbles and fun. Create colorful, moisturizing and exfoliating soaps in exciting shapes like stars, roses, fish and much more. So this is a gift where you can do DIY and create soaps for yourself in any shape you like. So this is a gift for a person like me. Bags, purses. So much of bags and purses, but they are very good. So this is a cloud unicorn shape purse as you can see and it's so beautiful and aesthetic. और ये एक बैग है which is very useful as we could carry it during traveling or as a school bag. So both of these bags and purses are very nice. I always want to learn embroidery and this is the time. So this is a perfect embroidery kit which I got and I'll show you the videos of this also. So do watch it. You know the makeup for elders uses harsh chemicals और वो हमारी स्किन को कितना डैमेज करता है. So why not have a makeup kit of our own? So this is what. So for our theme was Wednesday, so I got this black bow with the makeup kit along with a black rubber. Then we have this nail accessories. So if you put long nails or normal nails, you can also put this nail accessories. Next हमारे पास है इतने सारे shades of eyeshadow. इतने सारे shades होते हैं I never imagined. And blusher with a brush. यहाँ पे अलग से भी बहुत सारे brushes हैं. And अब आता है main और मेरा favorite part, lip glosses and lip balms. So this is a lip balm and this is a lip gloss and both are very nice and very charming. So these are the small tidbits and goodies. So कुछ गिफ्ट्स के ऊपर होते हैं like chocolates और कुछ गिफ्ट्स के अंदर होते हैं like this stationery. So these are also very important as they are also gifts. But not the least, this t-shirt resembling to my theme. This is the best. Guys, वैसे तो Stitch बोल रहा है कि वही सबसे बेस्ट है, but आप बताना इन सारे गिफ्ट्स में से सबसे अच्छा कौन है? कमेंट में जरूर बताना. Bye.